Hello, my model railroad and woodworking friends and the friends of out there in YouTube land. Welcome to another episode of Questions from the Truck Reminder video number 43. How this show works is you ask your model railroad, transit, and woodworking related questions in the comments below. And on the coming weekend show, Sunday or Saturday, I try to get you answers to those questions from either you, the viewer, or myself if I can. So last episode, I had asked two questions that are museum related, railroad or trolley related museums. And some of you guys answered, and I appreciate it. Those answers will be passed on to the museums so that they can assure that your experience is 2 thumbs up and A-OK. For those of you that didn't answer those questions, I wish you would. Take a couple minutes and don't even say my video is good. I don't care. Just answer those 2 questions. They can be short or they can be long, but it's really going to help these museums to better serve you, the patrons, that keep these museums alive and going on for generations to come. And that's important because without you guys and girls going to these places, they wouldn't exist. And sadly, some of them are disappearing, especially in this crazy day and age that we're in right now with all this stuff going on. We're losing them, and we're losing them more than we should. So help us out and keep us going. I wish you all a good week. Be blessed, be well, and I'll see you on the weekend. Enjoy this train. See ya!
My youngest daughter, Emery, was born with an incredibly rare and severe brain condition. While this journey hasn't been easy, we know that God is with us. It's the hard parts of our story He uses to refine us and draw us closer to Him.
Caleb is supported by Sight and Sound Theaters, presenting Queen Esther, the stage production, playing in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Has a story. Women ought to be taken to the pub.
Little local SMS. They just redid this switcher. How are you going to catch this thing? I think it's nice. They did a good job on it.